Is there love in all this? It seems to be a battle for egoic supremacy.
I feel my partner prioritizes her desires more than our family. This is leading to a big rift in our relationships. I'm not able to accept it. Can you please guide us? Thank you, Krishna ji.
Every idea or opinion you have about your partner is only your view, and a view that keeps changing. It is not the absolute truth. If you realize this, there can be room for love to take birth between you. To form a view or opinion on your partner based on your life experiences is natural. But when you hold on to your perceptions with rigidity, without being open to any other perception, you become intolerant. You become judgmental. You become insensitive to your partner. You don't care for their feelings. All you want to do is reinforce your view that you were right in the opinion you had about the other. And you want them to accept it, and you want the world to accept that you were right. Is there love in all this? It seems to be a battle for egoic supremacy. To believe that your ideas and your opinions are the only truth is like being a Kupastha Manduka. You are like a frog that was born and raised in a well. Such a frog assumes that there is no larger expanse of water other than the well in which it lives. If any other creature said otherwise, that creature was a liar or was an enemy. To this frog, the sea is a lie, the lake is a myth, the river is an untruth. Are not your rigid ideas and opinions of your partner a result of absence of love? Don't assume that your view of the other is the ultimate view. Understand that if only you are willing to let go of your rigid view, can there be room for love between you. Such an understanding will spur you to go beyond your rigid views and prompt both of you to evolve into a greater relationship that is filled with love. Let us now move into a reflection.
让我们进入一个反思。
Please invite your partner to join you in this reflection
请邀
too.
请你的伴侣一起加入反思。
Sit together in a comfortable posture and close your eyes.
舒服的坐好，闭上眼睛，
Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth in total awareness 7 times.
用鼻子深深的吸气，嘴巴慢慢的吐气，带着全然的觉知做7个呼吸。
Reflect on any one conflicting situation you both run into repeatedly.
反思任何一个让你们不断陷入冲突的情况。
Observe the ideas and opinions you hold about that situation.
观察你对那个情况所抱持的观点和看法。
Every time you get
每一
stuck
次
in your views,
当你卡在你的
your
观点里，
responses to your
你
partner
对伴
are
侣的回
egoistic,
应都是自我中心、
and
顽固
unwise.
和不明智的。
These compulsive reactions
这些
rob
强迫性
love
的
from
反
your
应
relationship.
窃取了
Don't they?
你们关系中的爱，不是吗？
Now take a deep breath into
现
your
在
heart.
做一个深呼吸，把呼吸带到心里。
Is there something beautiful about this person that your heart can see?
你的心是否能
Once this
看到
prejudice is gone,
这个人的美好之处？
what would that be?
当这份偏见消失，关系会是怎样？
This might be a beautiful time for both of you to hold
现
each
在
other's
是
hands.
让你们握住彼此的手的美好时
Ask
间
the，universe to help you connect from the heart
祈请
beyond
宇
these
宙
differences.
帮助你们从心里连结彼此，超越那些分歧。
Namaste. Have a beautiful day.
祝福
in a
你在
beautiful
美好的
state.
状态里拥有美好的一天。